Check out this 2022 Porsche Taycan 4S, packed with over €30,000 worth of factory-fitted extras. This fully electric Porsche boasts a 93 kilowatt-hour battery and delivers an unparalleled driving experience, powerful, smooth and perfect for navigating Irish roads. Some of the factory-fitted extras include Pirelli tyres for superior grip, single-speed front and two-speed rear axle transmission, luxurious leather interior for ultimate comfort, Power Steering Plus for effortless handling, 21-inch Cross Turismo design wheels in high gloss black, an ionizer for cleaner cabin air, a heated steering wheel and heated front and rear seats, a panoramic glass roof, black aluminium roof rails for practicality and style, auto-dimming mirrors to reduce glare, the Porsche crest on the headrests and centre consoles, fire extinguisher for added safety, a Bose surround sound system for an immersive audio experience, surround view cameras for easy manoeuvring, advanced 4-zone climate control, and a Mode 3 charging cable for fast and efficient charging. And this is all on top of the standard equipment that comes in this model, which includes all-wheel drive, a heat pump, Porsche Intelligent Range Manager, active air suspension, 8-way power seats, and front and rear parking sensors. This car is like nothing else we have in stock. Book your test drive today to check out everything this EV has to offer.